Hello people, Carl Muller, Travel and Adventure. This time we're just having a bit of a look at Mount Wood, old sheep station in the Sturt National Park, right up in the corner of New South Wales. I just passed by there recently, slipped in and took a few videos just to give you a bit of a look. A lot of old stuff there. Anyway, we'll get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I produce more, and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. all this that you see here in front of the camera, behind that car, this is all for the shearers. This is where they stayed at night. Their toilet, the big building is the kitchen, eating hall, etc. And behind that's the quarters where they bunk at night. This was the shearers' quarters back in the day. You can rent these from national parks and stay there should you wish in the rooms, as you will see as the video rolls on. Yes, there's the old homestead, Mount Wood sheep station, Tibooburra, northwest New South Wales. It's about all you can see. They won't let you in there. Anyway, I'll spin it round. There's a bit more there and there, and I've been out and filmed some artifacts. This is the yard where all the artifacts are. I walk up and down a bit and I'll show you what there is. A lot of old junk from back in the day. This is where the horses were connected and they used to go round and round and drive the whim to pump the water up. I guess you could say this is the junk shed. Gathered up various bits of old equipment, pumps, windlasses, ploughing devices, whatever. That's all, folks. As I said, I only dropped in for an hour or so on the way through to Tibooburra. I have been there before, and it's going downhill with age, obviously. So if you want to see it, I recommend that you get out there soon, as per the flooding allows, of course. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.